Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to increase or lower bass for your BOSE S1 Pro Plus using application. You have to start by opening the application, and right here we have it. So we will go to use only third channel because we connected with a Bluetooth. If you connect it with a jack or mini jack, you will also just use this third channel, and we don't need this too. So first swap to bass, and now we have this wheel. So to increase bass we need to slide up, and to lower it you need to slide down. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!